everybody, to another episode of Sundays with Sully. We are actually in our showroom today, and I'm going to go over something we get asked about a lot. I've been posting, if you follow on social media, how we can get Apple TV, Fire Stick, DirecTV, KVH dome dishes, and how we're getting all of that onto our Garmin network to be able to view. It's really, really simple, guys. So we're going to show you in the back of this display right here for our showroom. And right now what we've got is an 8624, but any of your 8600 series Garmin MFDs have an HDMI input. It's right here. It's very easy. I don't kind of see that right there, but standard HDMI cable plugs right in to there. Plugs right in. So now we can take our HDMI cable, it comes down around, it goes right into our Apple TV right here. And that's just a single HDMI out. So now that's how we're getting our video up to here. If you're on a smaller center console boat and you have an Apple TV, you're going to need a small power inverter of some kind. There's numerous brands out there that we use. This isn't a high power draw, but you're going to need a 110 power inverter to make that work. With a Amazon Fire Stick, you can use USB power, which is a little easier to come by because it's already 12 volt. Installing a USB hotspot plug, easier to do. But either way, that's how you're going to get your power into it. Now, the next step, you can go two different ways. The way that we prefer to do it is coming off of the back of the Garmin here. You have the NEMA 0183 port. This is a blue cable on this one. And when you take this cable and you plug that in here, it just threads right onto there, right? We get that threaded in. The end of that cable, right here, it has a pair of RCA plugs on it. It's actually not only 0183 out, but it's also audio out. So now we take our red, we take our white, plug it in, we go to our aux in from our stereo. Now we have audio, so when we select our aux 2, we can rename that for TV, Apple, whatever we want to rename it as. We now have audio from the stereo on board the boat matching the video coming out of this. As an added benefit, when you use the 0183 audio cable into the Fusion stereo and everybody's on the NEMA 2000 network, you now get audible alarms through your stereo. So if you have warnings, if your engine's tied into it for engine temp, you have depth alarms, any of the alarms that you normally hear, the little beeping noise, is now going to be played through the stereo as an option. It's a really handy feature. Actually kind of gets your attention because you want to know when you're getting into shallow water or your engine's overheating, I'm sure. So, that's it. It's just that simple to get HDMI onto your Garmin, audio coming out through your Fusion. Now you're using your whole stereo system to have the tunes, right? So, that's it. That's this week's Sundays with Sully. So, as always, be sure to give us a follow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at Navtronics. Boat show season's coming up. We're going to be heading down to Lauderdale. If there's anything you want us to check out down there and grab some video of, because maybe you're not able to make it this year, let us know. We'll go check it out. We'll get some video. We want to be there for you guys, showing you the latest tech trends in the marine industry. So, that's it. That's all I got. I will see you guys next week. Peace.